In the vice that I've got this Yale 5-lever sash lock. I thought I'd put the camera at a different angle. Let me know what you think of it. And we're going to see if we can pick this one open. I have picked it before, never on camera. Not a bad lock to pick this one. That's the key for it. That's a bitting on the key. So we're going to use a bent nail tension tool and an homemade lollipop pick. Let's see if we can get it on camera, and then we'll have a look inside it. I've not actually took the cover off this one, but I've picked it. I keep going into a false gate. When I touch that front lever, I'm hoping I'm not going to do that. Now the camera's on. And we get it. So yeah, not too bad, but like I say, I have picked it before and I kept dropping into the false gate on the front lever. So we'll have a look at what's inside it. Where's the key? Let's just close him back up. So let me know what you think of this camera angle. Let me just drop this down a bit now, like that. I thought I'd try something a bit different. When you've got these, sometimes the springs can fly out, so God, that's tight. If you do it at an angle, it shouldn't be too bad. There's my flat screwdriver. So let's have a look at these levers. That's the first lever, what was giving me trouble. And you can see there's an anti-pick notch right at the front. So as soon as I was touching that up, it was going into it. Right, sorry, forgot what I was doing then for a minute. Now the second lever, there's an anti-pick in the bottom. So when you're lifting that one up, as long as you don't go too high, it's not a problem. Third lever, anti-pick in the top. Fourth lever, anti-pick in the bottom. The fifth and final lever, anti-pick in the top. So they all had anti-pick notches in, and yeah, it was a decent lock to pick there. Like I say, I got it quite quick because I'd already put the practice in. And that's it. Let me know what you think about picking a lock in that type of angle with the camera. I might do it more often, I'm not sure, but let me know. Anyway, that's it for today. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Try a bit.